Hello everybody on YouTube, my name's Kent. I'm a Funko Pop collector. I also collect some other things which I will share with you today. Most of these are Pops. Actually, there's 10 packages, 9 of them should be Pops, 1 is something else. My favorite fandoms are Marvel, specifically Spider-Man, and Star Wars. I got this within the last week, and it just overwhelming because a lot of things that I ordered were placed during the summer, and it was like a pre-sale, and a few things I did order recently. Don't know what came in because Hot Topic does not email me. Target does. Walmart doesn't email me. I just get a notification that an email that the item's on the way, and I just don't click on it. Oh, awesome. This is one of the newer ones. This is Darth Maul with lightsaber. Comes from the new series with the new Ahsoka. I don't have the original Darth Maul though. At least I don't think I do. And there's some exclusives that came out. I started collecting, got into Smuggler's Bounty like the month after the Darth Maul one. Let's see now, this Amazon, let's see what they brought. Most of this Hot Topic or box lunch. 2 targets. One of the targets is the other item I collect. Ooh, okay. I was missing this one. When the Treehouse of Horrors came out, I missed out on this one. Amazon had it for a decent price. Unfortunately, there's a crease on the top and a sticker on the bottom. I don't know if you can see the crease. Not too clear. You can see on the edge. Oh well. I like the pop. And I like to collect really nice pops. And many times I buy more than one because I know they're going to come a little dinged up. And I keep the nicer ones, and the extra ones make it to eBay, or I give them out, trade with other people. A lot of them make it to my daughter's bedroom. Especially if they're My Hero Academia. Ooh, okay. Yeah, these were on sale again at Walmart. I was able to pick one up. It was the last one, and the last time they shipped it, it was packaged with huge body wash and hair care products. So I got 3. This one's dinged up. Let's see what the other 2 look like. Actually, this one's not bad at all. Oh, tiny little thing here at the bottom. But once it's in a pop protector, doesn't matter. You don't see it. This one has a little issue right here on the corner, but that's just very minimal. Nicer condition than the other ones. Okay, I'm happy about that one. I'll keep the nicer one, and the other ones, see what happens if I have a friend that doesn't have it yet. Or put it on eBay. Maybe for like, start it off like $5-6. I don't make money on these. I do like chasing after the chase, but most of the time it's a loss. I'm glad I ordered 2 of these. I also ordered Randy Macho Man Savage. I also ordered the GameStop Diamond Edition ones of these. Nice condition. I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised. I don't see any issues with these. So those look like keepers. I do have friends that grew up watching WWF, not WWE, WWF, and WCW, and a lot of the old wrestling shows. This one is really light. Now, Box Lunch and Hot Topic are hit and miss with how they ship. Sometimes they ship things in a bag. This is just oh, this is not Hot Topic. This is GameStop. The Mandalorian, Death Watch, 2 stripes. I don't know if you can see down here. When they opened up the box, they cut open. And it's a little dinged up here. But if you look at it like this, it looks fine. Ding in the back, slice on the side. Oh my. Slice in the front. Oh, I don't know how rare this one is, but I thought it was a different Mandalorian that I ordered. Disappointed in that one. Could take it back to the store, but when will I get that pop again? Alright, this is Michael Klump from The Office. I thought this was supposed to be a special edition, a GameStop exclusive. I'm not sure, but I got this one at a very decent price. I think it was from the Black Friday, where it's buy 2 pops get 1 free, and then some of these other pops were $3 each. That hurts. That hurts. Oh well. We'll see what happens. Alright, this is, I think, the other items I collect. Is just one. And the website sold out on these, or at least they don't have them in stock anymore. And there's no packaging stuff to... But it's Boba Fett, the helmet collection. This is a keeper. I was able to get this Black Friday also. 20% off, so I got it, I think, $47.99. Not a bad price. One of my favorite characters from Star Wars. Put this on the side. Don't fall. Alright, there we go. Now, very light. Something's bouncing around. And this is from Box Lunch. I'm very disappointed with Box Lunch. You saw in one of my videos, I ordered 5. I was chasing the chase of Constant Hatchway, and they just shoved 5 pops into a box this size. No sorter boxes, so the pop boxes got dinged up. And oh, cool. Been looking forward to this one. Some hot cash too. This is something that Funko's been doing lately, the Artist Series. I kind of like them. I like the fact that they come in a hard stack. See what this one is? Yes. Sorcerer Mickey. There's two of them. I like the darker one. I prefer the darker one. They also did the same thing with Jack Skellington. They had a darker one for Hot Topic and a regular one. I don't think they made an exclusive of this one, but this is nice. I'm happy with that. And I'm glad that one came by itself in a box. And not just in a plastic bag. Oops. I hope I didn't crack the case. I'll just put that on the side over here. Very light from Hot Topic. I ordered more of the Star Wars Funko pins. Last time they sent me 2 Boba Fett, but what I was going for was the Darth Vader. So it was from a different series of pins, I guess. So this time I'm hoping I get a Darth Vader pin. I hope they're the pins. Are they the pins?
Yeah, they're the pins.
They're the pins? Am I going to be happy or disappointed?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know.
Do you like ramen?
Wrong series again. But I got the chase. Luke Skywalker with the missing hand. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. I'm not going to order more of the pins simply because they've been sending the wrong series. And then the other one is a Stormtrooper, and I'll take that. So not bad. So, like I said, last time I got two Boba Fetts, so now I have a Boba Fett, Stormtrooper, and the chase of Luke Skywalker. I'm happy with that. Oh, these are 2 Target boxes. I know I ordered some exclusive pops from them. Is it 2 Target? Yep, I see the bullseye on the side. Target has done a better job with packaging. And I like the fact that they package them individually. Not all the time. They only do this with their exclusives. I feel like I'm doing a mystery box open right now, but nope. I missed out on their neon or their day glow superheroes. And nope, that's not it. That might be the other. Oh, such disappointment. Such disappointment. Wolverine. Pretty cool. And all the sides are caving in. And you can see the back. I hope the other one came in better condition. The other one is not a Wolverine. The other one is my favorite. It's Spider-Man. And by them putting them with so much bubble wrap, I don't know if you can tell, it's caved in right there. See if I can open it. carefully. There we go. The Amazing Spider-Man. Cyborg Spider-Man. I've seen videos where some guys put an iron to try to straighten it out. To try to iron out the little defects. I find that massaging slowly helps. It doesn't take it completely away, but it helps. Wow, this is really, really different. Top and bottom. Bobblehead. Pretty cool. Now my daughter's probably thinking, oh, they stole that idea from DC, from Teen Titans, Cyborg. But what am I holding in my hands? Spider-Man, not Cyborg. I like that pop. Out of the box, it's awesome. I guess this is a new way how they're going to package them, maybe? I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. At least the back is not beat up on this one. Like I said, just massage it a little bit. Massage. Just don't massage too much. You'll get carried away. Well, I'm keeping that one. I'm not going to risk trying to get another one. Nice. Put this over here. And I think these are the neon glow ones. I'm not sure. I missed out on the Spider-Man one. I missed out on Iron Man and Thor. And who was the other character? I'm trying to remember. And they came in these. I hope they're not damaged. Who's the other character?
Captain America.
Iron Man. Yeah, Captain America. You see? You like Marvel? What I do remember getting as a Target exclusive from the Marvel, it was all the Pacino ones that came out, what, maybe 2 years ago? Doctor Strange. Luckily enough, or fortunately, they still have this one in stock. You can go online and buy it. So, if I were you, and you like these, order one. Of course, I don't like to pay for shipping, so it's always $35 or more. And then I get part of my order, and I forget where the rest of the order is, and then I end up making a video like this. It's bits and pieces from different orders. I'm super happy with the Boba Fett head. Super happy about getting that two-stripe Mandalorian. And this one looks cool. I know they're not traditional colors, so I'm happy with these two. Happy with this. I'm excited about this. Chase, really? Wow. And I'm glad I got this, because I missed out on the Slave 1 UCS series, I said, I'll get it later, and I just took too long, and by the time I said, okay, I'm going to sit down and order it. They're out of stock. A week later, sold out. I missed out. Now to get that one, you pay more than the $200. I know $200 is a lot for a set, but certain times you can enjoy. Well, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for taking time out of your day. I hope you're entertained. I'm happy. I'm happy I got this one. Just not too happy about that. It's sliced at the bottom. But maybe in a pop protector. Put it on the shelf. There's a little line going across like that. You don't see it. Mixed emotions about this one. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Take care of your families. This COVID has gotten really scary. I even got an alert on my phone to it's like, I live in California, so they're urging us to stay home. I went to the supermarket and it started to look like it did when the pandemic started. People are just buying things up. Take care of yourselves. Be safe. Wear your mask. God bless you, and thank you for watching my video.